Okay guys, so today we're going to make a banana bread with cashew butter, maple syrup and walnuts, among other things. So these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our banana bread. So of course we need mashed bananas in order to make banana bread. So here I have 2 ripe mashed bananas. What I did, I just sprinkled a little bit of lemon juice over it. We have 2 eggs. Here I have a half teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. So here I have a half teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. We have a 1/4 cup of cashew butter. If you don't have cashew butter, you can use peanut butter or even almond butter. We have a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Here I have 1/4 cup of coconut flour and a 1/4 cup of almond flour. So these are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our banana bread. Of course, here I have my pan. I lined it with some parchment paper, which makes it easy to remove the bread when it's finished. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to melt our cashew butter in the microwave. We want it a little soft, softer than how it is now. So I'm just going to put it in the microwave for about 1 minute. Now, in the interim, I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. So let's get started. We're going to put this in the microwave and then we're going to get our mixing bowls out. We're going to add the dry ingredients, we're going to combine the wet ingredients, and then we're going to combine everything together. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is combine all our wet ingredients. Okay guys, so now we're going to combine all our dry ingredients. Okay, nice. So now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients and combine everything together. Okay guys, so there you have it. Now we're going to put this in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 30 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so our banana bread with cashew butter, maple syrup and walnuts is now completed. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video a thumbs up, and of course, most importantly, please don't forget to share with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.